Okay, this is like the slowest day ever. But the weather's not too nice. I got just texting my friend and we're both like crying because we're talking about how much we miss each other. She's like, I screenshotted this last part and texted, welcome to the crying club. Yeah, we're all crying right now. Anyway, I don't really look like I'm crying, so that's good. Yeah, it's like the slowest day ever right now. It's been just kind of gray. It's already almost 2 o'clock. We got some stuff done this morning, but you know, could be better, but that's all right. We're just about to go for a walk, get outside, because we've only been outside for just a brief moment today. And we definitely need some outdoor weather right now. So, you ready, babes?
Yeah.
I have to start and finish a blog post. And then yeah, it's Nick's day off. I was gonna say Nick's days off. It's Nick's day off today, which we don't get very often. Like sometimes you work 7 days a week.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to like take it easy, you know? Chill out.
Oh, I do want to skate.
Yeah, are you gonna go skate today? I thought you said you weren't going to.
No, I'm out of it right now. Maybe if I go home and have a Jaeger bomb, we'll see. It's my day off. I can do whatever the hell I want.
Yes, you can. It's also quarantine. That's what I keep saying. There's no rules in quarantine.
And the other ones, the things I was trying to get. I'd had mini campers. This vehicle, the truck weighs 17,500 pounds.
Tires you
And
can get for that?
that's the smallest tire you can get in a single for that weight rating.
So what do you
this
want
used
to
to
do
be
with
the oxygen and get this panel out to here.
It's starting to come to the point where
Well, we're gonna be getting to it in like just over a month here, so.
yeah, it's kind of time to like start planning and looking at different builds and like thinking about what we're gonna do. Yeah, like what I think we should do is make the floor plan, like make the plan, and then obviously things are gonna change and come up while we're building it.
It's things that we'll realize as we're going, and we'll figure something out to make it work. Of course, we plan as much as you can, but you're not gonna be able to plan for every single thing. There's gonna be stuff that's gonna come up that we're gonna have to just like rig in.
Totally.
As we're doing it.
We have allocated enough money, like just enough money to be able to go grocery shopping, get gas, and do all of our like necessary stuff. And then the rest of the money is all going to savings right now. So we're just keeping all of our money into savings so that we're gonna be able to sink it into this van. So I really want to make sure that like, because we're spending so long saving for it, and then we're going to be spending like some time like, you know, putting time into it, we want to make sure that it's something that we really love and that we're able to like be proud of, you know?
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit different for Nick because he goes to work every day and he sees people every single day, and he's not at home every single day, and I'm at home every day. So it's really important for me to be able to get out and walk outside. Like, it's so important for me. And of course, when I was working, it was like some days, you know, on the weekend you just stay inside. So I totally understand where he's coming from. I'm totally understand that he doesn't always want to go for walks with me, but yeah, here I am outside in the rain. It's actually kind of nice. We've been living in Ontario for the past like few months, and sometimes I do miss BC winters, and this is what it would totally be like if we had spent the winter in BC, although now it's sunny there, so that's annoying. Annoying because we're not there. We really felt like something puppy tonight, so we made cauliflower wings. They have Frank's buffalo hot sauce on them, and then a bit of barbecue sauce as well. And then with this, we're gonna be making poutine, and oh my god, it already smells and looks so good. I am so excited. And any Canadian would know that we're not using the right kind of cheese for this, but you know.
It's not curds.